No! I got a sticker. All right, you're gonna hear lots of road noise. You're gonna hear lots of fun things, but you know what? I'm glad you came by to check out this video. This is a 1986 Sun Sport RV, and we bought it simply to get the engine, transmission, the steering column, and all of the drivetrain out of it. So we're going to use the frame, the front suspension, rear suspension, engine, transmission, and the steering column. Now I'm going to say, why in the world would you want the steering column out of an old RV? Because they fit in a 67 to 72 Chevy truck, and they don't have an ignition on the column itself, and they're tilt columns, so hard to find. Anyway, it works perfect for what we're looking to do. The key to an operation like this when you're buying a donor vehicle is that you need to take everything apart very carefully, very meticulously. So you need to make sure that you keep all of the parts so you don't end up buying a part later on that you might have thrown away. So I'm going to show you a little bit today on how we take these things apart. I think you're going to enjoy it. It's going to be awesome. Please stay to the end. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell notification, send us a comment, and share the link with somebody, because this one here is going to be fun. It's all about being careful. Steering column. Hey, I don't know how fun it looks, but it is fun as heck. Just destroying things. I'm gonna cut a couple little pieces so it'll come all the way off. We'll finish this girl up. All right, let's see if we can get the roof to come off. Then it'll be lower than my fence. People can't get mad at me. All right, this is attempt number 2. It's a new day. Ran out of time yesterday. And I have some straps hooked to this thing. I want to make this top go away. Let's see if it works. Well, that strap broke. We'll just try the way I was doing it yesterday. I think it cut it on something up top. I think up top it cut it somewhere, because there's no way it broke that strap like that. Oh well, we'll try it another way. Hey, I just tore this thing to shreds. I got a ton of cleanup to do. I'm not gonna bore you with cleanup, but I'll tell you what, we really appreciate you guys coming by and checking out what we're doing. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Share the link, give us the thumbs up, make a comment, hit that bell notification. Hey, real quick, I want to give a shout out to 2 of our most loyal and faithful fans. Here's a picture of Katie and Kirby, and they are 2 wild women, I'll tell you what. And they bought some t-shirts from us. They sent pictures to us. And if you guys would like to be on this YouTube channel, take a picture of your merchandise that you bought from us. Just take a little picture and email it to theoddrodgarage@gmail.com, and I'll try and upload it. Sometimes it's a problem. Send it as a JPEG. It'll make things much easier for me. But I'd love to have you guys on my channel and show you representing in the Odd Rod Garage t-shirts, or the hats, or the hoodie, whatever it is that you might have. We really want to thank Katie and Kirby for representing with the Odd Rod Garage t-shirts that they have. Thanks, ladies. Well, that's enough of destruction and devastation for a day. I got to get this thing cleaned up so my wife's not going to be mad at me. That's a lot of work. I appreciate you guys coming by and checking us out. I'm going to get started on this right now, but I want to tell you guys, as usual, thanks for watching.